We continue with the breaking news of the resignation of the Speaker of the National Assembly, Nosiviwe Mapisa-Nqakula. I believe we have the economic freedom fighter, Sinawo Tambo, on the line. Sinawo, just your reaction to this resignation letter, especially because you have been calling for the Speaker to step down, even going as far as lodging a complaint.
Look, for the EFF, it's good riddance, and the chickens have come home to roost. She has tainted the integrity of the Parliament of South Africa throughout her entire tenure, and her tenure has been characterized by a vibrant defense of corruption by Cyril Ramaphosa. So, in our understanding, this resignation is long overdue. We have long called for it from the moment that she summoned police officers and special task force units to peaceful protests in Parliament, from the moment she deployed the purity of Parliament, who are males to female members of Parliament, to settle their harassment, from the moment that she's been shutting down motions of no confidence and para-support debates in terms of voting, from them being on the secret ballot. So our understanding is that her resignation is long overdue, and it is quite ironic that she's been presiding over the protection of corruption while she's been sitting in that seat corrupt herself. So we welcome her resignation. If she had lifetime benefits, we'd be pursuing her impeachment, and she's lucky that she doesn't. So we still maintain that she must be arrested with an immediate effect.
Now, Sinawo, the resignation, though, comes before the finalization of another important matter. There was a complaint pertaining to the salary hike of the Secretary of Parliament. So what becomes of that?
Look, that complaint must proceed. So Nosiviwe Mapisa-Nqakula is not the be-all and end-all of the Speaker. And the position she occupied is not an individualistic position. So she enacted that nefarious hike of the salary of the Secretary of Parliament as an office, not as an individual. So that investigation and possibly the reversal of that decision must proceed. But she must be prosecuted for bringing our Parliament into disrepute. She must be prosecuted for utilizing the position of Minister of Defense, which she was for 9 years, to enrich herself. And the corruption and the rotten SABC, because I was listening to a conversation earlier now, where soldiers don't have toilets, don't have kitchens, are under chains, are under arms, is a result of the corruption of Nosiviwe Mapisa-Nqakula. So we must not lose focus that she must be prosecuted, she must be arrested, and she must be brought to book for the crimes that she committed against our nation.
And as much as you welcome the resignations now, she has indicated that her resignation is in no way an admission of guilt. In such an instance, do you not believe that perhaps what we saw taking place here, because there's been comparison to your leader, that he allowed for due processes insofar as the court is concerned, when he's ever been accused, he has gone through the court system. What has been the position of the EFF on just that particular matter where she was challenging or seeking to halt the arrest itself?
Look, I think it was one of the most entitled endeavors that South Africa has ever seen, where one attempted to interdict terrorists. So Nosiviwe Mapisa-Nqakula has not been subjecting herself to the law enforcement agencies and legal processes of South Africa. She was trying to stop them on the basis that she claims she's the third most important function in South Africa, that she's old, and all other sorts of nonsensical and irrelevant reasons. And rightly so, the Gauteng High Court dismissed that. So she's not been compliant, she's not been cooperative with the rule of law. She's regarded herself as above the rule of law. So her resignation is insincere. Her cooperation with law enforcement agencies in South Africa comes through political pressure, comes through an arrest that is mounting, and it's probably inevitable as well. So nothing in that letter, including her claim that she did to protect the sanctity and integrity of Parliament, is sincere, because she has already destroyed that and left it to zero. So we don't regard her as someone who is cooperative with the law enforcement agencies. She's been arrogant, she's regarded herself as above the law, and we hope the law will take its course and stop delaying it, because it paints a bad picture that there are some in this country who can delay their arrest simply because of who they are. And that is unfair on the rest of South African citizens.
Sinawo, thank you very much for your time this evening. That's Sinawo Tambo, EFF spokesperson.